Hello! Thank you for being in a new video. This time I have with me the new Galaxy S24 FE. They have just been unveiled, so join me in getting to know them. Let's get started. I must confess that I am recording this content many days before its release, so I have been told that there could still be some minor changes with respect to the final version, but remember that this is just a video of first impressions. Later we will have unboxing, review, and everything you are already used to. For now, before we continue, let me tell you about its price, which is 16,999 pesos. On the screen, you see the reference price in dollars just to give you an idea, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. Hey, for now, how about you join me in getting to know the design? Because it's a device that has changed significantly from the last generation. And in the purest Samsung style in terms of design, we will find something minimalist. A cover with solid color without any kind of gradient, no special reflection, although in this case it is a glass that does come with light reflection, let's say. It is not matte or satin. The fingerprints can be marked considerably, however, thanks to the solid filler they have in the color. The truth is that they are not